Mukariri gite kamitine ya budget ndene ya mbunge nene uria kinyanowe mubunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro augite thirikari nirutaniritie kureta onjorithia ja Kenya Nyoro nongerete na kuga Kenya ni kwagirithia into mwanya mwanya bira bigakuciria onjorithia na gutigira batigweta NTHIGURU na muturi nera mubunge ojo wa Kiharu ongerete na kuga Rais Ruto na kurumira kinya gutigira kuri na ngugi kathumba cia nthuki mbithi na njira gutigira kuri na kinya factory kathumba THIRIKARI na ngugi Anthony Kathenya na Ntatoije.
Kagita kale thirikari ya Rais William Ruto thite na mbele na gucaria Onjûrîthia kenda gukire sekta ya iwanda na gutigira imwana ni bikona wira kamiti ya bunge ya kulaithirio bangania na utumiri bwa kigina kia thirikari iliuga thirikari ya Rais William Ruto ina moronto wa mbele wa waki wa barabara na iwanda kenda gutigira Onjûrîthia baba ne bakuga bebeganire na bate kuthambira Ndindi Nyoro uria ni mubunge wa Kiharu no mwikarigite wa kamiti no.
We want to capitalize on having as many investors having sheds in Kenya for them to come and invest, and especially as we try to capitalize on the opportunities that we have with the US called AGOA. And we want to be able to have adequate infrastructure for the investors, some who are moving from our neighboring countries, who are currently not very stable, and we want to build that kind of capacity in our country.
Kulingana na mubunge ojo wa Kiharu, Rais William Ruto alimikakatini ya gutigira iwanda bingi nibi wako kiri county nkorani itagalilile moronto walio ni gutigira into ile kumantere ino ni kugunakari amuna gutethera imwana kuona wira. Ndindi niongerete kugetagalilile ligaukiri tauni mwanya na kuidithia miji minene ta Nairobi.
You know, the president is currently in the process of establishing industrial complexes within our counties. We are looking at an area like Kirinyaga, where we are going to allocate resources for an industrial park. We are looking at other areas across the country, so that the youth of Kenya must not necessarily travel from far and wide to come and get jobs in the capital. We are also going to build mini capitals around where we live, that we, first of all, we can capitalize on the primary products that come from there in terms of value addition, but also mop out unemployment at source from where it is. And this will have consequential ramifications, which is that it will build even urban areas around small towns that then we hope they'll be able to grow to be semi-cities in Kenya, and especially driven by that kind of investment that we are doing in industrial parks and having EPZs around that.
Amweno ogu mwikarigite ojo kamiti no aliuga kirethini madeni ma thirikari kirubangane bwa kigina kia thirikari ni batengete kigina kira gikathi kunyia madeni mama kagita kara thirikari thite na mbere kumenerwa no ntomba kuthi na mbere na gukomba.
We are also looking at having a Kenya that is not indebted. Currently our fiscal is not very good because we have borrowed a lot, and we have made the first attempt. In this budget that we are considering, the BPS, we have allocated quite a sizable resource in terms of what we call CFS, money that goes into servicing our debt, because some of them we want to pay bullet payments. We want our country to be sustainable. The direction of our country is not just done on paper. It is done by the head of the country. I can confirm to Kenyans that I am the chairman of budget, but the president of Kenya knows every detail of the work we are doing, because he is the one who is driving this process. And he is very, very appraised on where we need to do, on what we need to do and where.
Kuma muji munene Nairobi, Beta Anthony Rangi wa Kathenya.